The sprinklers are essential to the filtration process of the air scrubber. If they are blocked, the air scrubber will not function correctly. Every month, or if the flow on the system is low, check the spray pattern of the sprinklers. They should distribute thick droplets evenly in an overlapping pattern. If there is any fine spray or irregular spray patterns, clean the sprinklers. Switch the air scrubber to maintenance mode. This will stop the pump. Take a bucket of clean water and remove the sprinklers one by one. Rinse the sprinklers clean and reinstall. If the sprinkler is still obstructed, unscrew the diffuser and clean the parts separately. The swivel body can also be removed if required. Once all sprinklers are clean, reassembled and reinstalled, clear the air scrubber and set the controller back to on. When the pumps are running, recheck the sprinklers. Repeat cleaning as required.
For more information, please contact us.